What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on battery. Now here you can check your most battery draining apps. Now here you can click on an app and first of your app who used most battery. After that, go back and search here RAM expansion. Now click on RAM expansion, and if you turn on your RAM expansion, then turn it off. After turn off your RAM expansion, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. Now in last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on erase all data. Now enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all your data basically means factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, personal data, any document in your device. It will be destroyed. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.